Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see all disliked videos you have ever made on YouTube. For example, if you want to see all the list of disliked videos you have done on YouTube, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. The next thing you have to do is you have to simply open the app store here, and here you have to simply search for the YouTube app, and after that you have to simply check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the app, and after that you have to simply open the app, and here if you have to simply click on profile, and you will find the liked videos here. But if you want to see the dislike videos, then what you have to do, you have to simply click on the settings icon, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on manage all history, and after that you will find all of your history here. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on controls, and if you look for control, then there is no option available related to like and dislike. So if you click on interaction, then you will find the option of video likes and dislikes. So here you will find all of your likes and dislikes. So you have to check whether you have to like the video or dislike the video. You can simply check all the details from here. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.